Yeah, so my country people, I greet you now. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, you don't miss plenty of bonga content. Press that subscribe button and turn on that notification button. Brighton 0 and Arsenal 3. And we get Oga Nelson, will be a bonga person and a bonga Arsenal fan. Make on tell us about how he see this game. Oga Nelson, many people they talk say once now Brighton, Arsenal they face. Brighton they give Arsenal a headache because Brighton like to the attack. They play attacking football too with Arsenal. But how you see this dominating performance from your team today? Because 3 goals, clean sheet, and 3 points. How you see your team performance today?
No, normally Brighton are attacking team. All of us know. Brighton are team when we say they tension anybody. But if you remember our match we play against Man City, you asked me that question. Say, how they see Arsenal defense? As Arsenal I get the best defense for England. So far so good. Arsenal defense they very composed this season. If Arsenal fit show Man City with their pressure, get clean sheet, they not lose that match. They get 1 point. I'll be Brighton now. They try you. But me, I know say at the end of the day, Arsenal go always beat Brighton. Because now the table don't turn. This season now, sir, if we continue like I say, they talk, I say we'll carry the league. They try, now they are home that day. But I'll give more kudos to Arsenal. You go away, go play a team like Brighton, we say get pressure, where we see get a 3-0, carry clean sheet, come up for there. You try. So my boys did very well. They play the ball the way I suppose they are happy, like the way I did now. So but this sweets me. Every mere because I know say this Arsenal lose this match before. I not just have a look Premier League again this season or next season, but as it is now, so I'm so very happy. I dey pray man you beat Liverpool tomorrow. Or maybe they will get draw. So that we not say, we go find ourselves, we go play the game well, we go balance well. So that what could they score continuously like so that even if all of us get 3 points, get equal points, goals go carry the day. So my boys they try very well today.
So for this performance, which Arsenal player you feel say na him be your man of the match?
Arsenal player will be the man of the match. However, not to play ball, despite the fact say he score, get 1 assist. I go first to give my captain, Captain Fantastic. Though he didn't play much, but because if I look the way the goals that take come, look the play of Havertz, look the play of Saka, look Trossard we just come in. Though Trossard try, I'm not saying anybody else just give. I'll just give Odega because I be the captain. I ain't lead them go carry that 3 points. So now Odega be my man of the match.
So how you see Mikel Arteta? Because Roberto De Zerbi are one of the top coaches when people they talk about. Many of all the big clubs that even they link on with some of the big club work now. Mikel Arteta they face all this manager, all this top manager, in they come out on top. How you say see Mikel Arteta as an Arsenal fan? How your body they do you as an Arsenal fan saying Arteta be your club manager?
No, normally Arteta are good. Get where they make your error too. Every coach get where they make the error. Arteta get where they make your error. Arteta be like when if you don't like you, if you like me, they play any about the feed, they still living for the match. But if they talk of coaches, Arteta first club, now be the Arsenal will be full coach because he learned under Pep Guardiola. In first contract when he become a manager in Arsenal. And so far so good. He dey try. The performance, the team they very composed this season. You know when your team good, they go see coach. Most of the attribute go more to the coach. Because the team they perform. Just like the way Leverkusen dey now. Leverkusen are team where we say they struggle for Germany before. But the life of Alonso, we don't dey there now. They don't go. They won't go unbeaten. Now every BB club now I dey on Alonso. You understand? So Arteta is a very good coach. That a Brighton coach is also a very good coach. Because for her to the coach team like Brighton, with those players when he get middle class players and when he get, even after he don't sell Trossard, he don't sell Caicedo come out, he don't even sell McAllister, I see they perform like this. That means that coach still good. But for the game, August day. So Arteta just still let her know say, even if say you good, men see they eye you. I get a formidable team where we say normally we will see come your own, we go beat you well. You go know say Oga pass Oga. So for now, I see they give the coach small kudos because he try. But he mean no say no if you win Arsenal. If you look he not too sharp much because you know say he dey play a very good team. They play a very good team. So any which way, you try. But Oga don't win, and I say it be.
So I want to ask you about Arsenal's summer signings now. If you look Raya this season, now Raya get the most clean sheets. We know say the defense dey for in front. If you look Declan Rice, some people they argue say now one of the signing of the season. If you look at Havertz, he does score double figure goals this season so far with good number of assists. You think say the Arsenal summer signings go fit be the difference between Arsenal to win a trophy this season and the Arsenal will not win anything last season?
Yes, because if you look now, even most of the Arsenal fans, all of us would, though Ryan goalkeeper will say when he don't get too much save and all those things, now confident will come overwhelm the guy or begin misbehave. But if you take a critical look at that Raya, Aaron Ramsdale is a very good goalkeeper. But if you look the last two matches Aaron Ramsdale don't keep for Arsenal, we can see where in errors a day. If you talk about reflex, he get reflex well. He good on one. But Raya na team coach, team goalkeeper, na goalkeeper they play with the team. Whereby defender not get where one play ball go give goalkeeper make it create way. So and that kind goalkeeper now Arteta need. Because Arteta na man we don't learn under Oga where they start play from 18-yard box, go the opponent side, and it always like starting from the goalkeeper. So Arteta bringing Raya summer signing is a good buy for Arsenal. At least if you look now, the clean sheet that guy don't get. Though if defense good, keeper they good though. If defense good, keeper they good. That year of France 98, France conceive only 2 goals. That mean Man you go buy Fabien Barthez. But when Barthez come as Man U, the first 14 matches, he don't concede 29 goals. You not get all the Turan, you not get all the Desali, you not get the Laurent Blanc and the Lizarazu. Then, you understand? But even at that, not that Barthez not doing good, but just that the defense not doing good as at that time. So, Arsenal now, Raya good, and our defense good. So we see more of, say the goalkeeper is a very strong goalkeeper, and he dey help the team. So, that na one. Then, Havertz. Though na player we don't lose form for Chelsea. Normally, we say, even we will be the Arsenal fans, we dey say, why they go buy that kind of player? But the coach, he be like, get what you see for the guy. If you look now, Havertz don't shift Gabriel Jesus come over that night. Though, he not too sharp, but the small work rate when he dey get, we dey see the impact. When he dey get, he dey worry defense, he dey win area ball, they give assists, then chance come, he dey score. So if you look for the past how many games Arsenal don't play, that guy they are standing a bit. He don't try. At least he dey score goal back to back. Then when you come to Declan Rice, you say that one be say, not be question whether they hands, because normally that guy good. The money wey they take buy and sell, we know they regret him. Because if you plan for the 4, going, if you say make they play the 8 when they play now, make Georgino they play the 4, you dey see the work rate. You know they tire. 90 minutes, 100 minutes, 120 minutes, so you dey see him. He dey everywhere, defense, front, back, everywhere. Even outside the field, service still dey. So our summer signing has played a very good role, created a very good impact in Arsenal team now. Because if you look, all these people who buy, so no one they make error. Even if error they did, there are times they cover with a win. For this match, Kava try. He also gets some kind of error, enough if they pass some kind of ball. But at the end of the day, he give assist, he score goal. Those are the kind of things we need, because at this point where we did now, so we don't need any match. We need to win all our matches. Once come to what smoke, we draw. But that draw, now if the other 2 people don't draw, if not, a steady winning we need now. So far so good. The 3 signing, summer signing, they have created a very good impact in Arsenal. They have played a major role. We make Arsenal now they where they did so. Because I believe say somebody like Aaron Ramsdale see they go post on reach now. We Arsenal for day now, not sure so for that position so. But anyhow, Raya try. Declan Rice perfect. Havertz is trying, so they are very good for Arsenal.
So how you dey see the title race? Today, Man City win. Tomorrow, Liverpool go face Manchester United. How you dey see the title race as Arsenal fan?
The title race normally is strong, oh, man, not lie you. Because as it be like this now, so we don't know who will carry the league. But I still dey believe, say, with the performance of my team, they do so. Kind of play where they play, both home and away. The league, we go carry on. Because they see discipline for the team. Whereby if error day, this other player go cover. So that the error no go too show. Man City is a very good team. Oh. Crystal Palace is a team where they give Man City problem normally before. But you see Man City today, because of where Arsenal are there and where Liverpool dey, from 1-0 down, they can win 4-2. You know say so? So, then Liverpool too, another team where we say, man, they don't say any slight mistake. Arsenal and Man City don't overtake them. So, then see they play the ball. But anyhow, I still believe that my team will come out victorious. We go win the league. At least everywhere for England go red. We go red the whole town, the whole London, the whole England, the whole world. Everywhere go red. Because with the way they play, so I believe that anybody will come our way now, our home and our way, we dey beat them. Even say we get Chelsea, we get Man U, we get Tottenham. They don't feel plus because we go win all of them. I believe say we go win, they will carry the league. That's what it be.
So Arsenal next game now against Bayern Munich, UEFA Champions League. How you dey see that game and what will be your score prediction?
They will come Arsenal Grand Cup players.
Yes, every season.
We'll be there 3-0. No, Bayern Munich not get form this season. Na Champions League, Those Bayern Munich too, na king of Champions League. For the Champions League, they get grand pass Arsenal. But if Arsenal go with this kind of performance, we will get so we'll come out victorious. We'll win them. We'll still go their ground. Yes, we'll get a draw there. We'll qualify go semi-final.
All right, now, Ghana, thank you for your time.